Hello everyone, this is Justify Speaks and today we're trying fried siomai and hot sauce. So this siomai and hot sauce is being sold by my friend. So if you want to purchase this siomai and hot sauce, I will put his Facebook page on the description box below so you could contact him. They're selling this in Makati and in Binangonan. So if you're around those areas, be sure to contact them. So they said the best way to prepare this siomai is to fry them. So I will fry some and use the hot oil with that. So let's fry it first. So here's a fried siomai and I'll put some let's try the siomai. Not sure what type of siomai this is. I just told him that I want that red one. Actually it's a yellow one but the meat is red using the picture. So maybe I can show you how it looks like on their post. Let's try it first without rice. So So I tried the steamed one. Almost everyone's tried the steamed siomai from a lot of kiosks in the mall. I tried the grilled one. If you haven't seen the grilled siomai, I'll put the card on the top. This one is fried. I think the reason why he said the fried one is better because the wrap is so crunchy when you fry it, so it adds up with the experience with the siomai. You know, crunchy. The meat is, yeah, it's not cheap. Actually, I can't remember how a regular siomai in a kiosk tastes like, but the meat of this siomai is really good, and the hot oil is legit. So it's not that hot, but it has a kick in it. And I would really love that hot oil on all of my fried food right now. So if you want to buy either the siomai or the hot oil, be sure to contact my friend. It's really nice. Once you're wrapping hot, then the meat is really tender. So this will be my dinner for today. I'll share it with my brother-in-law. So yeah, if you're not yet a subscriber, be sure to subscribe on this channel and push the notification bell so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. If you have any food delivery that can deliver here in Binangonan, be sure to put that on the comment box below so that I could try them also. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and share to your friends. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.